Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to unpin a community group on WhatsApp Web using your PC. If you've been exploring the new WhatsApp Web update and noticed some changes in how chats are managed, don't worry, I'll walk you right through it. First things first, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp website or by using the desktop app if you've already installed it. Once it's open, make sure your phone is connected to the internet so your chats sync properly. Now, take a look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Scroll through until you find the community group that's currently pinned. Pinned chats always stay at the top of your chat list, so they're easy to spot even if you have lots of messages. Next, move your mouse over that community group chat, right click on it. This will bring up a small menu with several options. In that list, find and select the option that says Unpin Chat. Once you click it, that community group will immediately move down into your regular chat list. Just like any other chat thread, this update has made managing pinned messages even smoother, so you can keep your WhatsApp workspace organized exactly the way you like it. It's great for clearing out groups you don't need at the top anymore without deleting them. And that's all it takes. In just a few quick steps, open WhatsApp Web, right-click on the community group you want, and choose Unpin Chat. You've successfully unpinned your community group. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be trying to figure out the same thing. Managing your chats doesn't have to be complicated, especially with the newest WhatsApp Web updates. Thanks for watching.